To add a quick settings menu button to the quick settings panel on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, since by default the panel setting is set to separate and quick settings panel is set on the right side. So to access the quick settings panel, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. Tap pencil icon or edit icon at the top right. Tap edit on the quick settings menu button panel. Now tap the desired button in the available button section you like to add. As the example, we will select extra tip. Tap done button to save your selection, and then tap done button again to save the change. Expand the quick setting menu button section. As you can see, the button you add, in this case extra dim, has been added to this panel. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.